Interviewer, welcome, and thank you for joining me today. To start, could you please introduce yourself and share your experience with creating Instagram posts and stories, particularly using Illustrator? Freelancer, hi there, and thanks for having me. I'm a freelance graphic designer specializing in social media content creation. I've been working in the field for about 3 years, and Illustrator is my primary tool for designing engaging Instagram posts and stories. Interviewer, great to have you. Our project involves the design of a set of Instagram posts and stories to promote our upcoming event. We have a budget of $50 for this. Does this align with your expectations? Freelancer, thank you for providing the budget information. While it's a bit limited, I believe we can work within these constraints to create visually appealing and effective content. Could you share more details about the event, any specific themes or colors you'd like to incorporate, and whether you have existing branding guidelines? Interviewer, certainly. The event is, and we want the designs to convey excitement and encourage attendance. We don't have strict branding guidelines, but we'd like to stick to our brand colors, which are. Freelancer, got it. To maximize the budget, I propose focusing on key elements and creating a cohesive set of 3 Instagram posts and 3 stories. This way, we can maintain a consistent theme while staying within the budget. How does that sound? Interviewer, that sounds reasonable. Can you provide a breakdown of how you plan to allocate the budget for this set of posts and stories? Freelancer, I suggest allocating $30 for the design of the 3 Instagram posts, considering they may require more attention to detail. The remaining $20 can be used for the 3 Instagram stories, including any necessary revisions based on your feedback. Interviewer, okay, that makes sense. How many revisions are included in the proposed budget? Freelancer, the budget includes 1 round of revisions for each set, posts and stories, to ensure we can fine-tune the designs based on your feedback. Interviewer, that's fair. In terms of the timeline, how long do you anticipate the entire process will take? Freelancer, given the scope of the project, I estimate about 3 days for the initial design concepts and feedback, and an additional 2 days for the finalization of both the posts and stories in Illustrator. Interviewer, alright, that timeline works for us. Before we proceed, do you have any questions or concerns about the project? Freelancer, I don't have any concerns at the moment. However, it's important to note that any additional revisions or significant changes beyond the agreed-upon terms would be subject to an additional fee. Is that acceptable? Interviewer, understood. We appreciate your transparency. Let's move forward with the proposed plan. Could you please send over a brief contract outlining the terms, and we can get started? Freelancer, absolutely, I'll prepare that and send it your way shortly. Thank you for considering me for this project. I'm eager to create engaging content for your event. Interviewer, thank you. We're looking forward to seeing your creative work and promoting our event effectively on Instagram.